Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to the next episode. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the subscribe and like button and turn on those notifications. So, what I decided to do was to build the roof on the ground. And right here in this clip, I'm taking the transit and getting a reading on the ground so I'll know how deep to dig my holes. I'm going to put 6x6 posts down in the holes, and I need to make sure each hole is to a specific depth, and so that way each one of my 6x6 will be level on top, and making sure everything that is square and level so I can build the roof on the ground. As you can see, once my 6x6s were in the ground and level, I put 4x6s on top. Again, making sure that everything is level across the top, and I pulled a tape from corner to corner to make sure everything was square. Once everything was ready, I took the boom on the tractor and loaded the trusses one at a time. I knew it was important to get the first truss level, so I placed a pole in the middle, and then on each end I put a brace, making sure that it was level and again square. After I made sure the first truss was square and level, I just continued one after another to place them in place. But the wind was crazy, pushing the trusses back and forth. It took me forever. Finally, all the trusses were set. Now it's time for plywood. Because I used my trusses on 2-foot center, I decided to use 5/8 tongue and groove plywood. With all the plywood on and on the sides, I installed my window on the end and wrapped it with Tyvek. Now it's time to install the metal roof. Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video and let you know this is one of the ways I'm trying to save money. I got to finish my roof up there, putting paper up there, but I went to a local place that does metal buildings, and I ended up purchasing this metal. It's all different colors. I'm getting ready to paint it, to try to save money. I'm gonna calculate it and see how I do, but I got it for $1 a foot, versus I was quoted about $4 a foot. So if you want to save money, this is one of the ways to do it. Well, everybody, this is what I ended up with. Not too bad. I mean, overall, I think it looked pretty good. I saved probably about $700. There's 10 more pieces on the other side. So tomorrow, I'm heading up on the roof. For now, God bless. Scan the QR code to follow us along on TikTok, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and to like and share this video. For now, God bless.